Global energy tech company Enphase Energy has just announced that they have started shipping their cutting-edge microinverters made here in the United States. Enphase microinverters have been on the market since 2009 and have become an integral part of their business. In April, Enphase announced the decision to bring their manufacturing process closer to home. What exactly is a microinverter, you ask? Solar inverters have one core function: to convert the direct current DC that is generated by the solar panels into an alternating current AC, which is the type of electricity used in your home. Microinverters are installed underneath each individual solar panel. The primary benefit of microinverters versus other types of inverters is that they work with each individual panel instead of the entire system. Since they are not limited by shade or other obstructions, they can yield more solar electricity. This means that homeowners can now harness the power of the sun more efficiently and sustainably. Enphase Energy, headquartered in Fremont, California, has partnered with the well-established manufacturer Flex to set up their first-ever U.S. contract manufacturing facility in Columbia, South Carolina. This partnership marks just the beginning of Enphase Energy's ambitious plans. They have 3 contract manufacturing partnerships in the U.S., and together, they anticipate generating a staggering 1,800 job opportunities. And that's not all. In South Carolina alone, Enphase and Flex are expecting to add approximately 600 jobs, boosting the local economy. Enphase Energy's vision doesn't stop there. By leveraging the combined manufacturing capabilities of all 3 facilities, they anticipate a production capacity of 4.5 million microinverters per quarter, which translates to a whopping 18 million microinverters per year. This manufacturing capacity will pave the way for 1 million new solar-powered homes annually in the United States. To achieve this, Enphase Energy estimates a capital investment of nearly $20 million per U.S. manufacturing facility, totaling $60 million in capital investment. How did Enphase Energy make this all happen? They credit the Biden administration's Inflation Reduction Act, also known as the IRA. This initiative has provided Enphase Energy with the necessary support to kickstart their U.S. manufacturing operations. And to celebrate this monumental achievement, President Joe Biden himself attended a kickoff event and tour at Flex's factory in West Columbia. Enphase Energy's decision to manufacture microinverters in the U.S. is a significant milestone for renewable energy enthusiasts and the solar industry as a whole. So what do you think? Is the Inflation Reduction Act working? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For future updates on the impact this will have on job creation, local economies, and the environment, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll see you next time.